How to write personalized intro lines in Instantly.ai. Writing personalized intro lines in Instantly.ai is one of the best ways to grab attention and make your cold email stands out from the dozen of generic ones prospects get every day. Instead of starting with a bland opener, use custom variables and lead data to create intros that feel relevant and humans. For example, you can upload a column in your lead list for intro line where you write a short, specific note about each prospect lines congratulating them on a recent achievement, referencing their company's growth, or mentioning a post they shared online. Inside your email templates, you simply insert two brackets, intro line, then closed brackets. And instantly that AI will automatically merge the right line for each recipient. This makes your email look handcrafted even though it's automated. Strong intro lines show that you've done your homework, build trust right away, and dramatically improve reply rates. In short, the more personal your intro, the better your Instantly.ai campaign will perform. So that's it.